Hey, let me show you how you can easily connect your Redmi Buds for Active into any Windows PC. In this case, I'm using the HP Windows 11 laptop. So first of all, you have to be sure that you input both earbuds inside the case. Then you can simply take it off. And as you can see in my case, these two small indicators just blinks. Let me just show you one more time. Right here, and it means that right now they are in the pairing mode. But if for some reason your earbuds doesn't go into the pairing mode automatically, I'm gonna show you how you can try to easily fix this. So remove left and the right earbud from the case. Now grab them like this and click 3 times on the left and the right bud together. Take a look. 1, 2, 3. And now your earbuds are going into the pairing mode, so you can just put them close into your laptop. Now the next step, we have to open this settings. So we have to start from the taskbar, go into the settings. Now go into the left side, open the Bluetooth and devices. Then you have to click on the switcher to turn on the Bluetooth. And next you will have to click to add device and select the Bluetooth connection. From this, we have to just wait until our Redmi Buds for Active appears on the list, and they will actually have the audio description. So you can just click on them with the left mouse button. And now, as you can see, after a few seconds, we are successfully connected. So additionally, you can go into the all system settings. Next, go into the sound. And from this, I can highly recommend you to switch from the internal microphone of your laptop or PC to the external of the Redmi Buds for Active. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.